Hey everyone, welcome to our first episode of Meet the Machines at Paper Crane Lab. We are an education space that runs STEM classes and workshops, and we also provide space for you to work on your projects by providing various tools at your disposal. So today we're going to be talking about our vinyl cutter. Back in 2018, we got our first big tool, which was this vinyl cutter, and we have since then christened it Sitalakshmi. So what does a vinyl cutter do? As the name suggests, it cuts vinyl. And you would have heard of vinyl in various forms. You would have heard of it being used on floors or in records. We use it in the sheet form. It's basically a semi-glossy sheet that's sticky on one side so that we can cut out our designs on the sheet and then stick it to whatever surface that we want. And how this machine cuts is mainly by using this blade that it has. It's a really small blade that's present inside this holder. And the depth of that is adjusted so as to cut various materials. So it can cut vinyl to make things like this coaster. It can be used to decorate your furniture like what we have done on this table. All the white on this table is basically cut from the vinyl cutter. You can also cut paper, you can cut small thin materials like very thin plywood and very thin cardboard. So let me show you an example so you can understand what Sitalakshmi can do better. We've made a design of the Paper Crane Lab logo over here, and this has been fed into the Silhouette Studio software as well. So let's go ahead and cut this out on the machine and see it in action. So once this is cut, what we can do is we can peel out the parts of the design that are not required, and we can stick it on a surface of our choice. So let's go ahead and peel out the parts of this that are not needed. So here we have the logo, and we're going to use something called transfer tape to move this from this sheet to a surface of our choice. So this basically will So once we have the logo present on this, we can move it to a surface of our choice, and we're going to be putting it on a coaster. And there we have it. The cool thing about this machine is that you can also draw using the Silhouette Cameo. So there's a second slot over here that allows for you to put in a sketch pen or a pen and draw over there. So we've put in a LED sketch pen, and what we've done is we've made some changes to the software so that it's going to now be drawing instead of cutting. So let's send it and see what happens. And there we go, it draws as well. So over the last few months, we've done a variety of projects using the vinyl cutter, including poster orders for birthday parties, A4 sized vinyl posters, face masks, making workshop, and a lot of kirigami. We've also made 3D models with paper by cutting on multiple layers of an image using the cutter and then sticking it together to make 3D models. So there we have it, Sitalakshmi. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Instagram at Paper Crane Lab, and once the space is open, you can definitely drop by in Indranagar, Bangalore and use it as well. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos on our machines, the projects we make, and a lot of tutorials.